The live price of Monero is $151,047,4747, 747. Monero price may reach a high of $213.541 by the end of 2020. The XMR price, with a potential surge, could go as high as $962.141 by the end of 2030. The cryptoverse is home to a myriad of projects employing P2P to peer-to-peer technology. But one such cryptocurrency, which is widely known and is popular amongst users mainly for its privacy-oriented features, is Monero. It is built on one of the most unique blockchains that make the transaction details anonymous. This is done by disguising the address used by participants. Moreover, unlike Bitcoin, mining Monero does not require any additional high-end hardware and can be done on traditional computing devices. But what can we expect from Monero price for the future? Will the XMR price reach $200 before December 2023 ends? Worry not, as we bring to you the XMR price prediction 2023 to 25 and the year to come. Story highlights. Overview. Monero price prediction October 2023. Monero price prediction 2023. Monero price prediction 2023 and 2030. XMR price prediction 2024. Monero price prediction 2025. Monero price prediction 2026. Monero price prediction 2027. Monero price prediction 2028. Monero price prediction 2029. Monero price prediction 2030. What does the market say? Fundamental analysis. What is Monero? Monero price, historical market sentiments 2014-22. FAQs. Monero price was seen trading in a consolidated range for almost a month, now indicating a weak price action in the market. Following the price drop in mid-August, the coin has lost its momentum, and the bulls found it hard to push the price back up as the bears had taken control over the market. Further, the XMR price recently displayed a double top in its chart, indicating a possibility of a trend reversal, which could result in the price to dip in the coming days. The MACD level displays a declining green histogram, indicating a weak buying and selling pressure in the market. Further, the chart displays a possibility of a bearish convergence, highlighting possibility of the price plunge in coming time. If the bulls gain back power, manage to hold the price above the $150 mark, then a bullish moment will initiate and the price will prepare itself to test the resistance level of 159.8 in the coming week. On the flip side, if the bears overpower the bulls, then the price will lose momentum and break down its support level of $149.72 and test the level of $146.72. And moreover, if the market fails to gain momentum, then the Monero price will continue to dip and test its support level of 143.15. Following the bearish cross, the coin has been trading in a consolidated range. The coin has wiped out all its gains from the yearly high. This year is crucial for Monero, as it could potentially create a new ATH in the coming bull run. Both RSI and MACD display a bullish trend in their charts, indicating a possibility of a massive price action in the coming time. RSI crosses the midpoint with MACD, displaying strong green candles with growing concerns of privacy and security amongst investors. The network would host newer investors, which could help the company. Monero price could surge to $213.10, $541 by the end, 49 cents, and confess Sunday, and the Avenue transformation 4 cents at water. And that's solved on January and well in this of the year. Monero could find some stiff competition amongst rivals and emergent protocols in the industry, which could limit the price to its potential low of $148.362. The yearn for privacy and security will only rise higher in the coming years. And Monero, being an ace player in it, will find numerous buyers over the course of time. On the other hand, 2024 also marks the year of Bitcoin's halving event. This could also propel altcoins to greater heights, and XMR could steal a pie. In such a case, the XMR price might propel to a maximum of $307.654 by the end of 2024. Conversely, factors like soaring inflation numbers and regulatory clampdowns could haul the price to $217.741. That said, an equilibrium in buying and selling pressures could land the altcoin at $262.67. XMR might surge effectively in the coming years, but the bearish trends may also haunt the price accordingly. Despite the huge bullish momentum, the price may tend to witness a drop and may trend within $294 and $1,865. However, some bullish trends may not be ignored, and eventually the price may trade above $416,825. Considering the bullish and bearish targets, the regular price might occur at $355.844, according to forecast prices and technical analysis. Monero's price is projected to reach a minimum of $378.217 in 2026. The maximum price could hit $518.949, with an average trading price around $448.583. Looking forward to 2027, XMR's price is expected to reach a low of $462 with a high of $624 and an average forecast price of $543.43. In 2028, the price of a single Monero is anticipated to reach a minimum of $543, but with a maximum of $729, and an average price of $636.258. By 2029, XMR's price is predicted to reach a minimum of $625.3095, with a potential to hit a maximum of $831.263, and an average of $720. In 2030, Monero is predicted to touch its lowest price at $777. $434, hitting a high of $962, and an average price of $834 and $787. We've made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are above the average targets set by the respective firms. It's still opaque to find who are the real founders of Monero. And the crypto fraternity firmly believes there are a total of 7 key members involved in launching the platform who decided to remain anonymous. As per speculations, Bitcoin founder Satoshi Nakamoto is one of those 7 members who holds a key role in the platform. Monero was launched on Bitcoin Talk as BitMonero in 2014, then renamed Monero. The initial months were challenging for the platform. It had also recovered from a spam attack in the September 2014. Whilst in the same year, the platform became successful in publishing research lab papers 1, 2, and 3. The platform aims to launch second-layer solutions of speed and scalability in the years to come. Monero is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that was launched in 2014. This blockchain forms an underlying technology behind digital currencies and acts as the public ledger of participants that showcases in all the transactions on the network. The unique part of the Monero blockchain is that it can be mined using minimum hardware with the domestic CPUs. Unlike Bitcoin, wherein a huge hardware setup is required to mine, and hence the consumption of energy remains relatively low. The native token of Monero is XMR, which initiated trade in the mid of 2014. The founders of Monero decided to remain anonymous. Moreover, according to some rumors, Satoshi regarding Nakamoto, who's the inventor of Bitcoin, is also the creator of XMR. Following the Monero price release, the coin surged above $1 for the first time in August. By September, the price surpassed the $10 mark. Following oscillations, the year was terminated at $10. The price at the beginning of 2017 was around $12, which surged to reach $132 by September. The digital token declined below $100 by November. By the end of December, the price hit a peak at $461 and closed the trade for the year with a slight pullback at $334. The price reached its highest ever level forming ATH at $495.84 in January mid-2018. The price fell below 100 in August. The XMR price concluded the city and now signed an AK after that one. In January 2019, like Monero was valued at about $46, and by mid-June it peaked at around $120. The price fell close to $50 by the end of November, and then by December, the Monero settled at around $45. That price witnessed a steady growth till the mid of February 2020, and also fell close to $35 by mid-March. Further, the price rose steadily and surpassed 100 by the end of August, and closed the yearly trade at $159. The price had crossed $160 by the mid of January 2021, and by April the price crossed the $300 mark, and managing an uptrend, the price hit an ATA of $517.62 on the 5th of May. The Chinese market crisis on May 19th resulted in the Monero undergoing a steep fall to $192. Following rejections, XMR managed to hit $338.63 in July, but aggravating bearish trends led to Q3's closure at 250 cents, 44 cents. XMR was seen ranging sideways for the majority of the time in Q4. Howbeit, the price took a downswing, which led to the annual closure at $223.98. The year 2022 was mostly bearish as the industry experienced multiple bankruptcies and company crashes, which led to the Monero price conclude the year at $146.11. Yes, Monero is definitely a good investment option, as it may reach a trading value of 213.547 by the end of 2023. Monero is a privacy-oriented crypto that is untraceable. As per our Monero price prediction, the XMR price might surge as high as $416.825, then over 2025. With a potential surge, the price could go as the high as $962.141 by the end of 2030. A single block of Monero requires approximately 2 minutes to mine. Hence, nearly 720 blocks can be mined in a day. Yes, you can mine XMR on your laptop or Android phone using the right app. At the time of publishing, the price of one XMR was $151.25. So